A story of an old man with his two sons, Berinyuy and Javnyuy. There lived an old man in a village called Bonso. He had two sons. In spite of all his efforts, the old man could not make his sons earn for their living. In addition, they were always fighting among themselves. The old man thought of a plan.
Javnyuy, Berinyuy, look, my dear sons. In Fikavi, we have a farmyard. There is a hidden treasure. If you should work together, you may find it.
In a wish to find the treasure, the two sons worked hard by digging and digging all through the land. They got frustrated and returned to their father. There is no treasure in the land. They complained to their father.
Now that you have softened the land, why should not you cultivate it?
Now that you have softened the land, why should not you cultivate it? Was the reply of their father to their query. Off went the sons. Soon the whole Vikavi land was rich crops.
This is the real treasure, my sons,
said the now proud father. Hard work always is fruitful. The quarreling sons then on lived in harmony and became rich soon.
I'm happy we are now living in harmony.